There's a unique place in Europe with long-established technological and industrial traditions that offers a tremendous variety of internationally prestigious machine tools. For the past 65 years, we've been developing cutting-edge manufacturing solutions for world-renowned customers. The prestige of our industrial group is based on two globally recognized brands. Danobat, a benchmark in high value-added solutions in the field of grinding, turning, cutting, punching, bending, laser and automated production systems for composite structural parts. And Soroluthe, leading manufacturer of milling machines, boring machines, vertical turning centers, multifunction solutions and automated systems, offering professional advice in machining engineering. Advanced machines that incorporate the latest technologies. Advanced solutions for the manufacture of high added value components. Turnkey production lines. Fully automated workshops with interconnected equipment. And advanced services for sectors such as aerospace, automotive, capital goods, mechanical engineering, energy, railways, metal forming, and oil and gas. Danobatgroup is the machine tool division of the Mondragon Corporation, one of the most important European business groups and a world benchmark for cooperative work. We've based our development on a more human and participative business model, in which people are the protagonists. Committed people with a cooperative identity, highly qualified professionals undergoing continuous training. We have state-of-the-art facilities, a centre of excellence in grinding, a technological research and development centre, centres specialised in precision and large parts machining and advanced manufacturing spaces, amongst others, where we develop our capacity aimed at providing the best solutions. Production plants, sales offices abroad, and a centre of excellence in milling, boring and turning in Germany guarantee our presence in the most strategic markets and permit us to offer the most complete service on-site. Global technology, local knowledge. This market focus, together with our unique character, have given us access to major projects, which help us to further develop our knowledge and build the future together with our customers, now and forevermore.